Yeah, you saw Will make snow cream earlier, which I tasted. It was actually pretty good. But now he joins us from outside the station with something he is building for us. Will.
Thank you, Noreen. I thought it was delicious, too. All right, so this is a snow volcano. It doesn't really have anything to do with the snow. It's more of just a chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. But what the idea is, we have got a little mason jar deep down inside this volcanic funnel here. And I tested this out earlier, and it didn't give me the reaction I wanted. So I'm just going to go pretty heavy on the baking soda. So I'm going to put the baking soda all in there. We'll add a little bit more for good effect because it's TV, right? So we'll put that in there. Add a little bit of soap in here. All right, guys, I got 4 different options of food coloring here. Do you want red, green, blue, or green? What do you want?
Oh, red. Red, blue.
Red? You want to do red?
Can we have 2?
All right, let's do red.
I want all the colors.
Rainbow.
Let's just do 1.
Okay.
All right, so
You're no fun.
we're going to pop the food coloring in there. I know, that's me. No fun. All right, and all right. So now to make it explode, we're gonna add the vinegar. Now, of course, anybody knows what happens when you put vinegar upside in a, up there with baking soda, and I wanna get it exactly right. So this is gonna create a fizzing reaction due to the chemical reaction when vinegar neutralizes the baking soda, releasing carbon dioxide gas. So let's see what happens here.
This is something you could go out and do with the kids tonight after dinner.
Wow.
Oh, I didn't put enough food coloring in there, but there you go. That's about, well, let's see what happens if I put more in there.
Maybe you should put some
you see,
vanilla
now,
extract
actually,
I
now you see what's going on? There's
Yes.
it is better over here on this side than it was on the other side. You can actually see the red lava kind of oozing out there on that side. Let's see, hold on. I can make it better. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Here, I'll just tear down some of the volcano. There it is, okay. Well, there you go.
Science with Stafford.
There it is.
Well done, Will. Well done. There you go.
There you go. Yeah. This is snow volcano. You've seen it here. Erupting in Lynchburg,
Amazing.
Virginia. Whoa, see, it's getting better.
Yeah, that is better.
Good job, Will.